Unearthing the Truth. Garden Myths Debunked. Upbeat, gentle music begins. Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Today, we venture into the folklore of the gardening world. For generations, advice has been passed down, but how much of it is true? This guide helps you discern genuine horticultural truths from myths. Our mission is to cultivate beautiful plants and a deeper understanding of nature. We'll examine 10 prevalent garden myths with a spirit of discovery. Think of this as an expedition into the undergrowth of assumption. It's about fostering an intuitive link with the green world around us. Prepare to have some long-held notions gently challenged. We'll look at everything from talking to plants to the soil beneath our feet. By the end, you'll be equipped with knowledge to nurture your garden effectively. Let us begin this exploration. Music fades out. The silent symphony. Do plants hear our words? The charming notion that talking to plants helps them grow is endearing. However, plants do not possess auditory organs to hear us. Growth is influenced by light, water, and soil, not our words. The act of talking means we spend more time caring for them, which benefits the plants. So continue your garden chats if they bring you joy. Your presence is the real magic. The clay conundrum. Sand's deceptive promise. Adding sand to clay soil can worsen drainage issues, creating a concrete-like mixture. The genuine solution is incorporating organic matter like compost or aged manure. This improves soil structure, aeration, and drainage. Organic matter also enhances fertility and supports beneficial microorganisms. Patience and consistent effort turn problematic clay into a rich, workable medium. Sun, water, and whispers. The leaf. Scorch fallacy. Watering plants in the sun does not cause leaf scorch. Water droplets evaporate quickly, reducing any potential lensing effect. True sun scald is due to other factors like drought stress or disease. Watering at the base of plants is more efficient and reduces fungal risks. If plants are thirsty on a hot afternoon, a gentle watering is better than letting them wilt. Chapter 4. Nature's Arsenal. The truth about organic pesticides. Organic pesticides are not automatically harmless and can still be potent. Responsible application and integrated pest management, IPM, are key. IPM prioritizes preventative measures and uses pesticides as a last resort. Healthy soil and diverse plantings reduce the need for interventions. Even nature's arsenal requires respect and judicious handling. Chapter 5. The Perils of Plenty. When nurturing becomes harmful. Over-fertilizing can be as harmful as under-fertilizing, leading to toxic soil conditions. Excess fertilizer salts can cause root damage and nutrient imbalances. A soil test reveals existing nutrient levels and guides proper fertilization. Slow-release organic fertilizers provide a gentle, sustained supply of nutrients. Less is often more when it comes to fertilizing garden plants. Chapter 6. The Autumn Cut. A misguided tradition. Pruning in the fall can stimulate vulnerable new growth and increase infection risk. Late winter or early spring is the ideal time for major pruning. Spring flowering shrubs should be pruned after blooming. Research the specific needs of your plants for optimal pruning times. Proper timing ensures healthier, more resilient plants. Chapter 7. Drowning in Kindness. The Overwatering Deception. Overwatering can lead to root suffocation and damage. Signs of overwatering include yellowing leaves and root rot. Use the finger test to assess soil moisture before watering. Water deeply but less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Ensure pots have drainage holes and garden beds don't become waterlogged. Not all insects are pests. Many are beneficial. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are essential for plant reproduction. Predatory insects like ladybugs control pest populations naturally. Plant a variety of flowers to support beneficial insects. Avoid broad-spectrum pesticides to protect these allies. A balanced garden ecosystem relies on understanding and supporting beneficial insects. Routine tilling can destroy soil structure and beneficial organisms. No-till gardening preserves soil health and improves water retention. Add organic matter as a top dressing instead of tilling. No-till methods build organic matter content over time. This approach leads to healthier, more resilient gardens. Embrace no-till gardening for long-term soil health. Epsom salt is often touted as a garden cure-all. Most garden soils are not deficient in magnesium or sulfur. Adding unnecessary nutrients can cause imbalances and harm plants. Focus on good gardening practices and soil health. Use Epsom salt only if a soil test indicates a deficiency. Balanced fertilization and proper care are more effective. And so, our exploration through the undergrowth of garden myths comes to a close. We've gently uprooted 10 common misconceptions, replacing them with a clearer understanding of the delicate and fascinating science that governs our green spaces. From the silent world of plant communication to the complex life within the soil, we've seen that true horticultural success often lies not in old wives' tales, but in observing, understanding, and working in harmony with the natural processes that unfold all around us. Hopefully, this journey has not only debunked some fictions, but also deepened your appreciation for the intricate wonders of your garden. The path of a gardener is one of continuous learning and discovery. The knowledge we've shared today is a stepping stone, an invitation to look at your own garden with fresh eyes, to question, to experiment thoughtfully, and to build an even more profound connection with the plants you nurture. Every patch of earth, every potted plant, offers a unique opportunity to observe the rhythms of nature and to refine your own gardening craft. Embrace the successes, learn from the challenges, and remember that the greatest joy often comes from the journey itself. We sincerely hope this guide has been helpful and inspiring. Tell us what you think in the comments, perhaps share a garden myth you've encountered, or a success story born from understanding what truly works. And if you've enjoyed unearthing these truths with us, please do like this video and subscribe to The Great North Gardener for more insights into creating the garden of your dreams. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening. As we wrap up our journey through garden myths, let's take a moment to explore a proven technique that can truly enhance your gardening experience: companion planting. This age-old practice involves planting different crops in close proximity to each other, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both plants. From deterring pests to improving soil health, companion planting offers a natural and effective way to boost your garden's productivity. Imagine a vibrant garden where basil grows alongside tomatoes, repelling harmful insects while enhancing the flavor of your harvest. Or picture marigolds interspersed with your vegetables, their bright blooms acting as a natural pest deterrent. These are just a few examples of how companion planting can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. By understanding and implementing companion planting, you can create a more resilient and productive garden, all while reducing the need for chemical interventions. So as you continue your gardening journey, consider experimenting with this technique and discover the harmonious relationships that can flourish in your garden. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and insights from the Great North Gardener. Happy gardening. As we delve deeper into the world of gardening, let's take a moment to understand one of the most crucial aspects of a healthy garden: soil health. The foundation of every thriving garden lies beneath the surface, in the rich, complex world of soil. Healthy soil is teeming with life, from beneficial microorganisms to essential nutrients that plants need to grow strong and resilient. Imagine your garden's soil as a bustling city, where each component plays a vital role in maintaining balance and productivity. By focusing on soil health, you can ensure that your plants receive the nutrients they need, improve water retention, and even reduce the risk of diseases. Simple practices like composting, mulching, and crop rotation can significantly enhance soil quality, creating a thriving environment for your plants. So, as you nurture your garden, remember to pay attention to the soil beneath your feet. A healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of successful gardening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights from the Great North Gardener. Happy gardening. As we continue our journey through the wonders of gardening, let's shine a light on the unsung heroes of our garden's pollinators. These incredible creatures, ranging from bees and butterflies to birds and bats, play a crucial role in the life cycle of plants. They are nature's matchmakers, transferring pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to reproduce and bear fruit. Imagine your garden as a vibrant, interconnected web, where each pollinator contributes to the overall health and productivity of the ecosystem. Without them, many of the fruits, vegetables, and flowers we cherish would struggle to thrive. By creating a pollinator-friendly garden, you can support these vital creatures. Planting a variety of native flowers, providing water sources, and avoiding harmful pesticides are just a few ways to attract and protect pollinators. So, as you nurture your garden, remember to also nurture the pollinators who make it all possible. Together, we can create a thriving, balanced garden that benefits both plants and pollinators alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of successful gardening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights from the Great North Gardener. Happy gardening.